Welcome back, my friends, to another life-changing video on my channel, Syndee Winters TV, where I, your girl Syndee Winters, bring you performance tips, self-care hacks, and all over feel-good moments of everything Broadway and beyond. In today's video, I have some exciting news to share with you. Broadway is back! Broadway's back, y'all. The wait is over. We can now move on with our lives. Mark your calendars. September 14th, The Lion King, Hamilton, Chicago, Wicked will be opening their doors for audiences at full capacity. Make sure you go and get your tickets if you missed it. If you saw it on Disney Plus and you want to check it out again, go get your tickets. But before that, on a serious note, my friends and I have not been on a stage in over a year. So we're a little rusty. We're a little out of shape. So we're gonna need some help. Stay tuned as we dive into my favorite YouTube and social media workouts that I can do online in the comfort of my home where nobody's watching me, making me feel crazy about myself, okay? In no particular order, might I add, I do these things interchangeably. You got this. I'm here for you. I follow Fit for Broadway. I know, fitting, right? Check out Fit for Broadway. You can follow them on their Instagram at Fit for Broadway, and also they have a YouTube channel as well. Check them out. They have Broadway performers, fitness coaches who help each other get fit for the stage. So big shout out to Fit for Broadway. The next one is Core Rhythm Fitness by Roderick Covington. This brother right here will get you all the way in shape, okay? I'm a little scared myself. He has so many programs to help you get your fitness. Big shout out to Roderick Covington. Let me get a shot of his body real quick. Look at all them muscles. You can have those muscles too if you get with Roderick and Core Rhythm Fitness. The next one is straight out of Philadelphia with my girl, Nicole Smith at Core Love Culture. Core Love Culture is amazing for your Pilates wellness experience. Nicole Smith is an amazing coach that I've actually had an opportunity to do a Pilates private lesson with, and she is incredible, y'all. She works with everyone from professional athletes to performers, and I had the great pleasure of working with her at The Lion King, so I can vouch for her. She is amazing. Love you, girl. Big shout out to Core Love Culture. And last but definitely not least, I saved the best for last because I want to share with you my friend Sharon Lynn of Breathe Flow Be. Sharon is a dancer, actress, and fitness and wellness coach. She has an amazing following on TikTok and on YouTube. You can check her out on Sharon Lynn Breathe Flow Be on YouTube, and on TikTok you can check her out at Sharon Lynn. Sharon has got a whole exercise regimen for yoga, fitness, wellness on her YouTube channel. And on TikTok, there are really cute ways of setting up your yoga station, getting a quick mind-body flow in the morning, making sure that you're journaling. I've done her 21-day wellness challenge, and believe me, it was well worth it. So big shout out to Sharon Lynn at Breathe Flow Be. You can also check out Sharon Lynn on one of my previous videos, Artistic License, where her and I get a chance to get together, catch up, and she walks me through a few tips and tricks to get my body stage ready. So, my friends, I have vetted these programs for you so you can just go and check them out, and they will kick your butt. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a nice thumbs up. It really helps me out. Please remember to subscribe and take a look at my other videos on this channel. Until then, enjoy it, stay well, stay woke, stay safe.